Firm up my under eyes with me. I'm using the Ever Living Skin Instant Firm Eye Cream. It's proven to reduce under eye bags, dark circles, wrinkles, puffiness, and it's not limited to just your eyes. You could use it in your smile line. You could use it on your forehead wrinkles. Your crow's feet, there's no limit here. I have applied all of my skincare and waited 10 minutes. It's completely dry and absorbed in. You don't have to put on any water or oil-based makeup, serums, moisturizers, anything over it. You'll do all of that beforehand and then wait 10 minutes to make sure it's fully absorbed into the skin. So once your skincare is fully absorbed, then you do this. This should be the last thing you put on. So let's try it out. About that much. And now we're just going to pat it wherever you need it. I am gonna do my under eyes. As you can see, I have some dark circles there. We are not massaging. We are not rubbing. We are patting it on there. It still feels wet. I did not rub it all in. It still feels wet, and we're gonna leave it. And then expressionless for 2 minutes. Okay, we're back and we can use expression again. So let's have a look. All right, guys. I approve. I've got less creasing. I have less under eye bags. It depuffs. I feel like I look more awake, fresher, like I got enough sleep last night. Did I? I don't know. It looks like I did.